Question 4. Gary's gross income is €2,450 per month, i.e. that is before the tax is deducted. So his gross income is before the tax is deducted. He pays tax at a rate of 20% on his gross income. So he pays tax at a rate of 20% of this. Work out his gross tax per month. So we need to get 20% of his gross income. His gross income is 2,450, so we need to get 20% of 2,450. And in maths, of means multiply. So 20% of 2,450 is going to be 20% multiplied by 2,450. And that's going to be 490. So Gary's gross tax is 490 per month. Now there's two ways of doing this. I could divide 2,450 by 100 and then multiply by 20. So dividing by 100 you're getting 1% and multiplying by 20 you're getting the 20%. Or I can use the percentage button on the calculator. I can input 20, the percentage button, the multiplication button, 2,450, and that gets me 490. Gary has a tax credit of €275 per month. Work out Gary's net income per month, i.e. after tax has been deducted. So in part A, we found his gross tax to be €490 per month, and we're going to use this to work out part B. So net tax is going to be gross tax minus the tax credit, okay? So when we think of the word net, I think of it like a net is like a pocket. So it's how much money you've got in your pocket when you're going home. So your net income is how much money that you're left with after all the deductions. So how much money is in your net, how much money is in your pocket when you're going home. So net tax is going to be the gross tax, which you found in part A, which was 490, take away the tax credit. And the tax credit is 275. So 490, which you found from part A, minus 275 leaves you with €215. So that is how much tax he's going to pay. His net income is going to be his gross income minus his net tax. So his gross income, we were told in the question, was 2,450. But then we have to take off the net tax that we just found, which is 215. And we're left with 2,235. So his net income is €2,235 per month. So it's €2,235 in his pocket, in his net. Question 5. Paula runs a plumbing business. She charges a basic call-out fee of €40. She also charges €30 for each hour or part of an hour that a job lasts. Paula spent 2 hours and 45 minutes on a job. Work out the total charge for this job. So it's going to be her call-out fee plus 3 hours of work, because she spent 2 hours and 45 minutes on the job, but she charges €30 for each hour or part of an hour that the job lasts. So 2 hours and 45 minutes, we're going to round off to 3 hours. So her call-out fee was €40, that was given to us in the question. She's doing 3 hours of work at €30 each. So 3 times 30 is going to be 90. So 40 plus 90 is 130. So the total charge for this job is €130. Part B. Paula is ordering parts from the UK. One part costs £24.83 in sterling. The exchange rate is €1 equals 71 pence in sterling. Work out the cost of this part in euro and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Well, the first thing that we need to remember is that we're always going to multiply or divide for exchange rates. So this is an exchange rate question where we're changing euro and sterling. So we're going to multiply or divide. So it tells us in the question that €1 is equal to 71 pence. And one part costs £24.83. And we're trying to figure out what that is in euro. So €1 equals 0.71 pounds, and how many euro is going to equal £24.83p? So what we're going to do is we're going to divide 2483 by 0.71, and it's going to give us 34.9718. And we're going to round this off to 2 decimal places. So since the third digit after the decimal point is a 1, and the rule is 5 or more let it soar, 4 or less let it rest, this 1 is going to let the 7 rest. So it's going to be 34.97 to the nearest cent. So what we did was we divided 2483 by 0.71 to figure out how much it was in euro. Part C. The total charge for the parts before VAT is value added tax, is €330. €75.90 VAT is charged on the parts. Find the percentage rate of the VAT charged on the parts. So we're going to take the VAT, the value added tax, which was €75.90, and we're going to divide it by 330 because that was the total charge, and we're going to multiply by 100, and we're going to end up with 23%. So if we ever want to change a fraction to a percentage, we multiply by 100, because per cent means out of 100. So think about, there are 100 cent in a euro, so whenever we're dealing with percentages, it's always the number 100 we need to use. So we did 75.90 divided by 330 and multiplied by 100 to get 23%. Question 6. A shop sells 2 brands of orange juice, brand A and brand B as shown. So this is brand A orange juice, and it's 2 litres, costs €3.60. And this is brand B orange juice, and it's 750 mils, costs €1.50. So part A, find the price per litre of brand A, i.e. that is the price of 1 litre of brand A. Per litre means 1 litre. And part B, find which brand, A or B, is cheaper per litre. Show all of your work. So 2 litres costs €3.60. That's brand A. So 1 litre is going to be €3.60 divided by 2. And that's going to give us €1.80 per litre. If it had said 3 litres cost €3.60, we would have divided by 3. If it said 4 litres cost €3.60, we would have divided by 4. If it said 5 litres cost €3.60, we would have divided by 5, etc. So it's €1.80 per litre of brand A. So part B, we're trying to find which is cheaper, A or B. Well, brand B is 0.75 litres for €1.50, because it said here it was 750 millilitres, but we want to change it into litres. So it's going to be 750 millilitres equals 0.75 litres, because there are 1,000 millilitres in a litre. You need to learn this off by heart. There are 1,000 millilitres in a litre, so 750 divided by 1,000 leaves us with 0.75. So 0.75 litres costs €1.50. So 1 litre is going to be the €1.50 divided by 0.75, which gives us €2 per litre. So brand B costs €2 per litre. So clearly €1.80 is less than €2, so brand A is cheaper. Samantha needs to buy at least 5 litres of orange juice. Find the lowest price that she could pay to do this. She can buy brand A, brand B, or a combination of both. Justify your answer fully. So she needs 5 litres. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 pack of brand A, which is 2 litres, and this costs €3.60. And we're going to take 4 packs of brand B, because 0.75 litres times 4 gives us 3 litres. So 0.75 times 4 gives us 3. So that's 3 litres. And that costs €6, because €1.50 times 4 is €6. So we've got 2 litres and 3 litres gives us 5 litres, which is what we want. And €3.60 plus €6 gives us €9.60.